So let's take a look at the human aura. Everyone has an aura surrounding their body. It's an extension of our physical body, and it's within this field of energy that crystals work. The aura comes from the Greek word meaning breeze, a good image to focus on when thinking about the aura. The aura is a two-way transmitter and receiver, connecting us to the vibrations around us. It is the means through which we can connect to the energy from the mineral, plant and animal kingdom, as well as the cosmic forces. Just as the ozone layer protects the Earth, the aura forms an oval envelope around the physical body and is our greatest protection. If disharmony of either a physical or spiritual nature occurs, the aura becomes de-energized, and this can cause holes to appear in the aura, allowing negative energy through. This can then lead to emotional or mental imbalances, or eventually become a physical illness. The aura is made up of many different layers. And for the purpose of this exercise, we'll look at the etheric body, which extends approximately 4 inches from the physical body and is an exact replica of the physical. It just vibrates at a higher rate. The etheric body cannot distinguish between good and bad vibrations and acts as a collector and transmitter of the sum total of energy from the other subtle bodies. This is why it's so important that crystals are used at this level. It is in the etheric body that problems show up before they manifest as illness in the physical form. And crystal energy can disperse the blocked energy on the etheric level, allowing balance and harmonious flow of life force energy once more. Crystals treat an illness at its source, not just the manifestation of that illness.